Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create product bundles in Shopify. In this video we will talk about product bundles on Shopify, how to create a product bundle, how to edit codes of your store's theme, and we will also reveal some apps that can be used to create your product bundle on Shopify. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Before going ahead with the video, let's first understand what a product bundle is on Shopify and what are the benefits of creating a product bundle and also how it works. Product bundles are several individual goods or services that are sold to consumers as one combined package. Sometimes called package deals, product bundles are generally made up of complementary items or less frequently similar items. So basically, when a customer clicks on Add to Cart, it adds all the products from the bundle to the cart. There can be one or as many products as you want in the bundle. The beauty of doing it this way is it doesn't really feel like a bundle to the customer. And if you have products that can be sold as a bundle or kit, it's one of the easiest ways to increase your average order value. Product bundles are a great way for businesses to increase sales by offering more than one product. This way, you can add more popular products to less popular ones as a bundle to be sold together. As such, you also increase the sales of the lesser popular ones. Usually, you can offer a discounted price on product bundles, so customers are more likely to make a purchase. So now that you have understood what a product bundle is and what are its benefits, let's move on to how to create a product bundle. There are two ways of creating a product bundle. First is by editing the codes of the store's theme, and the second is by installing a third-party app to the store. The first method is recommended for those users who know the basics of coding. But if you don't know coding, we recommend you to proceed with the second option. We're going to do a demonstration of both these methods. Let's start with the first method in which we need to edit the code of the theme. After logging into your Shopify store, click on the Online Store tab in the left sidebar. And under the Themes tab, here you will see the current theme of your store. Before editing any code, it is always recommended that you create a backup of this code so that you can restore it back in case something goes wrong. Click on the three dots and then click on Duplicate. Your theme will be duplicated and you will see it here. If something ever goes wrong, then you can use this Publish button to restore this theme. Now click on the three dots again and then click on Edit Code. This is the code editor page, and in the left side you will see the folders for different sections of files. If you click on any file, you will see its code here. Now we need to add some codes. For this, visit the ecomexperts.io website. From this page, follow the given steps and copy the given codes and paste it in the Shopify code editor page. And once you're done with adding all the codes, then click on the Save button and your Shopify store will be updated. Now let's move on to the second way of creating product bundles. In this method, you need to install a third-party app to your store. Click on the Apps tab in the left sidebar and on the top search bar, type Product Bundle and search for it. You will be taken to the Shopify App Store page. On this page, you can see that there are more than 1,000 apps that you can use to create your product bundle. Scroll down the page and compare them according to your preferences. Here we are going ahead with this one because it has a free plan, a 4.8 star rating, and more than 600 reviews, which means that this is a good app. Click on it and you will be taken to the app's description page. Here you will see the app's name, its developer's name, a small introduction, its star rating, and the number of reviews it has received. Here on the right side, you can watch the review and tutorial of this app on YouTube. Here are the three highlights of this app, which are increase average order value, choose bundle discount type, and compatible with subscriptions. Below you will see images of how to use this app on the store. Next you will see the About the App section in which you can see the complete description of the product, and on the right side you will see its launch date. Under the Support tab, you will find the contact details of the developer, resources, and about the creative profile of the developer. Scroll more and you will see the pricing section. This app has two membership plans. The first plan is the free plan, in which we get unlimited bundles, customizable bundle widget, Shopify POS, custom product images, discount conditions, and volume discounts. The second plan is the premium plan, which is at $7.99 per month, and in this we get mix and match, variant level bundles, landing pages, bundles listing, bundle shortcodes, custom bundle image, discount in cart, free shipping, and funnels. And in the last, you will see the reviews section, in which you can see the rating and reviews by other users. By using this button, you can also write a review for it. Scroll up the page and then click on the Add App button. Now on this page, you need to authorize this app to access your Shopify store. If you want to know what kind of accesses you're going to provide to this app, then scroll down and you will see the privacy details section. And here you can see that this app can access your customers' information like their contact details, location, and their device's information. And it can also access the store owner information like contact details and location. And in the last, you will see the permission details section. This app can edit orders, edit products, edit your online store, and view and sync discounts. And if you're okay with all these accesses and permissions, then click on the Install App button. After installing the app, you will be taken to this page. On this page, you can create and edit bundles to boost your sales and increase your store's average order value. To do so, click here on the Create Bundle button. Now in this pop-up window, you need to select the bundle preset. You will have these three presets to choose from. In the classic bundle, you can give your customers a discount when they purchase specific products. In the mix and match bundle, you can allow your customers to build their own bundle based on their requirements, but this is only for paid membership. And lastly is volume discount, in which you can give site-wide or product-specific discount when customers buy in bulk. You can continue with any of these presets. Now on this page, you need to fill all the required fields. And once all the fields are filled, this Save Bundle button will get enabled. You need to click on it. And thus your product bundle will be created and it will be shown on your store. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create product bundles in Shopify. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.